Okay, so braised chicken with chestnut. Oh my gosh. So, sarap talaga guys. Sarap. Sarap na sarap. So, ating okay na itong sauce. Braised chicken with chestnut. So, madali lang to lutuin. Actually, niya dito is spring onion. Kaso, ayun, wala akong spring onion. So, I use shallot and red onion. So, ayan siya guys.